welcome back to your favorite Ashish cooking channel, House of Delicious and Spices. You all must have noticed that a soup is served as a welcome starter at parties. So today's episode is all about sweet corn soup. Why wait guys? So let's get into the preparation. Initially, I'm gonna make a paste for the sweet corn soup. For this, in a mixie jar, I'm gonna add 2 cups of sweet corn. Grind the sweet corn into a smooth paste. In a kadai, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm gonna add 2 cups of sweet corn. Fry the sweet corn till it turns to a golden brown and crisp. I fry the sweet corn in butter to enhance the flavor of the soup. The corns are now a nice golden color. So at this stage, I'm gonna add grinded sweet corn paste to this mixture. I'm going to cook this in low flame till the raw smell comes out. Add water at the intervals so that the mixture does not burn. So to this mixture, I'm going to add 2 glasses of water. Mix 2 teaspoons of sweet corn in water and add to this mixture in order to give thickness to the soup. So now add salt as per your taste and half a teaspoon of pepper. Mix all this so that it combines well and cook this around 10 to 15 minutes. So the welcome starter sweet corn soup in your kitchen is now ready. So that is about today's episode sweet corn soup. Try this recipe and share your feedback via comment section. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned and stay connected only with your favorite Ashish cooking channel, House of Delicious and Spices.